Hello, Kona team. We're going to cover in this video what we like to call an activities template, but just so has it that you have activities on the page, but restaurants populates very similar. It's just this is a more box layout versus activities is a more full width layout, but it's using the same tools, using the same setup basically. So this will kind of cover training for both of those. So basically what these all are child pages of the activities page. So all of these tiles, when you click on them, let's go to the first one, you'll see in the URL bar it's activities first, then / the name of the page. That's what I mean by parent and child. Just so you know as we go through this video. So what this does, it takes the title of the child page and the featured image of the child page and auto-populates it to what, like I said, we like to call the activities template. And using it for activities pages like this is why we call it that. Let's go ahead and edit the page and let's dive into a little bit deeper detail on how this is all working. Excuse me. So the way that works is within flexible content, we're using the section that is titled Activities Child Section. Okay, now you don't actually edit anything within the Activities Child section. This is basically being placed on the page where you want it to pull that logic of I'm the parent page, go find all of my child pages and pull their featured image and pull their page title. So how that works, and then that populates. So how that works is, let's go into one of these pages. You see when this page was built, we gave it a title and we set this featured image, and then it pulls into your activities. So you don't really have to do anything special, but if you're ever trying to populate activities or populate restaurants, I think events has the same setup. Let's go into edit of the child page. When you create the page, under page attributes on the right hand side for parent, you just need to set it to the page where all of those little image titles and links are populating. The link comes over automatic. It pulls your featured image and it pulls your page title here, and activities is set to the parent. So then when you hit update on your brand new page, you got that all set, and then if you were to refresh the parent page, it would be a new tile. One other piece to know on controlling where they fall in the order, it will kind of alphabetize it by default, but if you want to control the order 1 through 12, let's say you got 3 rows of 4, or yeah, 4 rows of 3, you're going to go into each child page, and under the page attributes under order, you would set a number. 1, 2, 3, 4, blah, 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 so on and so forth, and that's how it would pull over. So very little has to be done in terms of the flexible content piece. You just have to go to your parent page and drop that on, and that's under that very bottom add row, activities child section. And that's basically all you got to do. And then you see we're using that special subscription section, which I showed you in the last video. So you should be all set there.